Everyone is talking about Ozempic and Wegovy, but what they actually do in your body. These medications mimic a natural hormone called GLP-1. It tells your brain, hey, I'm full. It slows digestion, controls blood sugar, and lowers craving. So instead of fighting hunger all day, your body finally listens to itself. This is not magic, it's biology. And when combined with nutrition, sleep, hydration, and activity, it can help patients lose up to 15%, sometimes even 20% of their body weight. But remember, they are not for everyone. They need medical supervision and lifestyle support to truly work long term. Follow Dr. Noni's Power Lab for more truth about modern weight loss science. No hype, just real talk. Please subscribe. Thank you.